Ladies and gentlemen.
Hey guys, Wade with Diesel Freak here. I got Michael with BMF Customs. You probably know him from doing the spring over axle flip kits for the Roxor. He's been doing that for several years. We've had a working relationship where you could go on our website and buy them. They've been a good kit for getting some ground clearance. That's been a good deal. So now we're gonna one up the game. We've talked about this for a year or so. And us at Diesel Freak did the tummy tuck. We were looking at ground clearances and different things. We got talking about ultimate rides, and about a year ago we had this phone call, and he's like, I'm gonna do it. And Michael did a 100% bolt-on coil-over suspension. I'm gonna let him tell you a little bit about it and how easy it's gonna be to install.
Sure, so it's definitely an easy installation. It's a little bit of work, but as long as you're not scared of a little work. It completely 100% is a bolt-on kit, and you got to drill 6 holes. So 2 of those holes are right here for the front track bar, just goes through the frame, and then you've got 2 holes per side that go through this old bump stop bracket right here, and that's it. That's all you got to drill.
So that comes good to when it's like, what do I want to do for suspension? What's crazy to me is this is considered a 6-inch shock. Mm-hmm. These are 35-inch tires. Look at the ground clearance. Look at the clearance. I mean, you're going to run 37s, 38s, no problem on this thing. Mm-hmm. They've already been out testing one prior to me getting here. They've got a little video. They jumped one. They've hit some bumps. They've been through everything. And, I mean, what a ride.
I think the biggest thing is the ride. The ride quality with coil-over shocks is irreplaceable. I mean, it's just soft.
Well, so many are coming from a Razor or a Can-Am, and they want that ride. They want to go fast. They want to buggy through the woods. There's some other avenues, options out there, maybe not fully that same coil-over feel. So this, I think, is going to achieve that. Yeah. And it's going to be really a sweet new product, I think, to kick off the new year. I'm excited for it. I blasted down here after he's worked on this for several months, and you know, we talked back and forth about different ideas how to do things, and I think he just knocked it out of the park with this thing. So we're really excited. I'm gonna get back home. It's gonna take me a couple days. We're gonna install another one at our own shop just to make sure we got that narrowed down, maybe get some instructions done. By the time we get it on the website, get some pricing nailed down. They've even gone through over here. This is the crate. It's the prototype crate, fellas. I mean, we don't know if that's exactly how it's gonna come shipped, but it's going to probably be an LTL truck freight shipping because there is some large parts and pieces in there, but very little, actually no fabrication. It's just going to be all bolt on. So a couple drilling with common drill. It's 3/8 1/2 inch.
3/8 1/2 inch.
So
I do want to talk about the parts involved here. That it's not junk, guys. These are good shocks. They're reservoir shocks. We've got chromoly Heims, no economy Heim joints, you know. All the bolts are grade 8 bolts. It's good solid parts, all made here in America.
That's the way we like it, right here in Texas, actually. So I haven't been to Texas in quite a while. It was nice driving down here. Right now, I 2 days ago was snowmobiling, believe it or not. So now to be down here in a t-shirt and 60-degree weather is kind of nice, and I'm excited now with this. We're gonna have it out this spring, and join us at Windrock Off-Road Park. We're going to twist Michael's arm maybe to make the trip over there. I don't know, hard to say, but
I'm gonna try.
We want to get out there and get some real field testing, real world testing in it, and I think it's going to be a great thing. So they've already been running it and jumping it and everything else. So you guys are crazy. I got some younger guys at home. I'm going to let them do that after. With my whole back situation, I'm done jumping for a little while. So, but we'll get there. As we got this beast back here at Diesel Freak World Headquarters, I just wanted to answer a couple other questions in on this that I know are going to arise. We are going to offer this in bare, all bare metal, if you want it that way. Or we're going to offer it, it'll be either all black or red. And the red is going to consist of these beauty pieces that you see, the piping and this overlay on the undercarriage is going to be red. We understand that there's some other color Roxors out there, OD green, maybe you want orange. We're not opposed to doing those. Contact us, we'll talk about it. We'll get you the color of choice. But for standard color purposes, getting started, red, black, or bare. 100% bolt on, all American parts, bolts and hardware. 24 Heim joints in total. The parts list goes on and on, but really when you look at it, it's not that confusing, and it's going to be so much fun.